Ash from DroningON. Welcome to DroningON Live. Just a quick one today. I noticed an article just arrived on a blog called The Verdict, talking about the UK Home Office now looking at replacing their helicopter force and using drones instead. Now, for years, I've wondered why more agencies don't do this, because it costs an absolute fortune. It costs $2,000 an hour to operate a police helicopter. Not only does it take time to dispatch them and get them up in the air, but then if you've got to pay a pilot, you've got to pay fuel, etc., etc. But you can deploy a drone in minutes, and the police on site can deploy the drone, at the scene of an issue. So cost saving in terms of maintenance as well. Imagine what it costs to service a helicopter. I think it's absolutely great to see stories like this, and I hope that we see many, many more, because ultimately we are paying for this in our tax when they launch a helicopter. If they buy a drone, yeah, we're still going to get taxed, aren't we? But we're not going to be paying anywhere near as much tax as we do to run and fuel and maintain and service and fly that helicopter. So a really, really good story. What they're saying is that they're trialling it at the moment, focused on search and rescue missions, but also including a series of simulated police aviation scenarios. Now, I guess the only challenge they might have is in the pursuit type thing, because some police pursuits go on for an hour. Flying a drone long range across multiple counties and constituencies could require some extensive battery power plus signal. You might have to have a roaming police operator in a vehicle, to make sure he's always within range of the drone. There is also the challenge of airspace and also, of course, line of sight, safety parameters. But it's been trialled, and that's great to see. So I'll put a link to this in the video description below. If you want to hear other stories like this, raw, unedited, straight from this, by the way, I'm using the Osmo mobile. I like it. Changed my mind. The video coming out about that soon. Then do comment below, hit the video thumbs up, and of course, if you're not already subscribed, click that button now. Thanks, guys.